My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle has done just under 44,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we have quick access to navigation, radio and our charge. We also have features such as Apple and Android CarPlay, EV, Blue Link and Hyundai Live. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC as well as climate control. The Kona also has 3 different driving modes to choose from. So we have Eco, Comfort and Sport. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.